This is my Crossbow 950. I'll show you how it works. You take this and put it there. Put these on here, it's very important. Like all the crossbows, you can add a handle there. It works by pulling this up. So, okay, let me show you that again. Now, it goes like this for, well, just to be cool. But it's very important that this has to go like that if you want it to work. And these things just gonna move like that easily. But this going like that makes it keep there. Now, the reason it goes up here is so that it can go in front. Or else it would just go like that. Okay, there. To connect this and this, I used one of these 4x1 L Technique pieces. And to keep this like this, the elastic band goes there. It's very important. This gear is just to keep these things together and just to look cool. Now I'm going to show you it shooting. Okay. I'm going to show you its distance now. Works amazing. It's actually two separate pieces. This and this. This one only has the thing that goes like that. So if you don't want this function, you can just make this half and then you can just go, yeah, with your finger. But if you want the function, you clip that on there. I think it's very cool. This is the truth. The only thing I copied from anybody else is this function. This is my amazing mini double shooter crossbow. It's called a double shooter because it shoots 2 arrows. These rods are easy to get. Now it works like this. These things are here, that's here. Just take this on that back thing and you push it up with your nail when you want to shoot. Shoots very hard and very fast. Okay, now I'm going to shoot it.